G'day guys, my name's Ethan.
I'm Kristen and this is K&E Adventures.
G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of K&E Adventures. Yeah, back to square one. Seems like we've cracked another piston. Not too sure why, if it's quality of pistons or if I've had a injector failure. But gonna rip the head off, inspect what the damage is, and then go from there. So yeah, anyways, join us and we'll strip all apart. Going off all this intercooler piping, getting everything out the way. I'm literally just gonna pull the head off, so just getting everything out the way, make sure it's easier that way. Just about to go test out the new MUX, Kristen's mum's new car. On our way to the servo, stopped over. As we stopped over, I looked back at my car and then there was just a heap of smoke pluming out the breather tube. So that what that indicates is excessive blow-by. Excessive blow-by means either your rings or we've got a cracked piston. Most likely a cracked piston. So, yeah. So this is where we are now. On a part again. So we're currently not in the driveway. My good mate Ethan was very nice to provide us his shed. Shout out to him. Good man.
Here he is, speak of the devil.
Yeah.
Hello.
Alright, intake manifold is off, out the way. All the injector lines out the way as well, so she's put it on to TDC, rip this rocker cover off, pull this cam gear off. Cam out, head bolts out, head off. Easy done.
You can use a padlock.
Rather a padlock.
Oh, yeah.
That's gonna be easier. Doesn't come up as right or not.
Yep, there you go.
Is it actually?
Found it. Right there. Oh, crack! Here's a light, but you can see there.
Wow.
And there.
Yeah, that's more defined, that one, isn't it?
Damn.
Yep, so it's cracked on the side of it.
Yeah, God. Here's that.
Yeah, no good. The other one I did a better job at, but this one's not so good. Yeah, see? It's my tail then. Night time.
Baby, good night, baby.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at the big sack.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll empty before then.
Yeah, it's a bit of weight. I tried lifting it.
Yeah, holy yeah.
What just happened?
I touched it and it fell apart. Holy, okay. Well, lucky that didn't fall apart when I was in the car, or in the motor, I should say. That would have been bad. It's nothing serious. It's all good. I'm gonna hone it out anyways. Holy.
Oh no.
G'day guys, this is about 2 days after. My car's all stripped, everything's ready to go. Just need to clean everything up. I've got the sump to clean up, got the head surface to clean up, got the actual bot to clean up, and then yeah, we're just waiting on parts. That's the only problem at the moment. Hopefully get it Monday or something like that, and we can put it all back together. But shouldn't take too long. See how we go. Damn. These are nice. Alrighty, just picked up the fresh new bits. These pistons look a lot better, a lot more sophisticated, I'd say, than the last one. So, yeah. Now we can tomorrow hopefully clean everything up, put it all back together, and have the dog running again. So it should be good. Exciting times ahead. Top of the morning. Today is currently Saturday, and which marks around 2 weeks that the cruiser's been off the road. So today, head down with one of my workmates. We're gonna see if we can put this all back together. We've got all the parts ready, so
Yeah, Ethan's filled up my back seat, the floor and the back seat. I've never had so much stuff in my car.
yeah, she's squatting. She's doing a bit of Cali lean, but that's alright. Yeah, so we've got all the parts. Just gonna do a bit of a clean up, fresh hone, chuck all the pistons back in, head back on, and then hopefully get it running by this afternoon and get it back home. So that's the plan. So crack a tin, sit around and enjoy. Let's go, eh?
You need to hold that dead flat on that plastic.
Am I doing both at the same time?
No.
Just one
Just
side.
one side. And hold it dead flat on that plastic. And Jesus, yeah.
Watch what you're doing.
We are on the way to the car again. We had a little bit of a predicament where the oil feed line for the turbo snapped as we're putting in. That was literally the last piece of the puzzle, and then I had to fill it up with oil and cool it and start it up, and then yeah, that happened. So today after work I've just gone and picked up new fitting, fit that, fill up oil and coolant, start her up, and then yeah, hopefully get her home, drive her home. So that is the mission of this afternoon. Let's see how we go, eh? You. Enough juice. And I took the jumper leads up to it. I don't even know if there's enough juice in my second battery.
Oh no.
I thought this was gonna happen.
Take two.
Fuel. Give me fuel, give me 5, give me double to the side. Ready?
Take three.
Something to spark?
Yes.
What?
I don't know, but I heard it.
Battery's dead. No, good. Battery's dead.
My baby battery. Oh,
Oh, that was me.
you just tripped my car, man.
That was me. I accidentally touched into.
You just tripped my car, man.
Fuck, I thought it was me then.
Yeah.
Yay! We did it. So the cruiser is on.
Yep.
Just going for the test drive.
Yes. We are back at home. HZ made it. Driving and running mint. So she's gonna sit here for a bit until I can get a new fuel pump for it. So new boost compensated fuel pump and new injectors and possibly new turbo as well. And then the tune. And she'll be running absolutely mintos. So hell yeah, brother. Mission accomplished. Like chicken?
You like chicken?
Oh, I'm alright, thanks. So we just
Okay, thank you. Looks like you're looking at his ass.
I'm not.